think this is the number one reason we see a lot of clients transitioning from Salesforce or another CRM solution over to Dynamics. They're making this leap because of some pretty obvious licensing and cost issues. So first and foremost, Microsoft pricing is very transparent. This is actually a snippet from the Microsoft website. All of the pricing is out there online for you to view at any time. They don't hide anything. There's no hidden fees, no gotchas. You can see the pricing for the Dynamic Sales product, which is listed here on the screen, is tiered, and they offer it at a per user per month base. Microsoft also doesn't offer any special discounts, really. So while that means that what you see is what you get, it also means that you don't have to worry about negotiating. There's no tough sales tactics when it comes to licensing. It's really straightforward, and you can license based on your role. For example, somebody who needs sales professional and needs to work with leads and opportunities would want that sales professional license at $65 per user per month. Then I like to help clients really take advantage of the team license with Microsoft, which is only $8 per user per month. And that can be utilized by anyone from an admin who's simply updating contact data, all the way up to executives who really need to view the information, but they're not necessarily interacting on a day-to-day basis and updating the information. And the platform lets you kind of just start and stop whenever you like. So unlike the competitors, Microsoft encourages you to try the products with no long-term contracts and no commitment. So again, no worry about negotiating, no worry about your contract coming up in 3 years. As you saw, the price listed was $65 for professional per user per month, and that's true. In fact, when you buy your licensing through a partner like Stoneridge, you can add or remove users whenever you want throughout the month. And then we actually bill retroactively at the end of the month based on a prorated basis for what you're actually using in the system. So it's really flexible, really easy, which is the next point, is that it's flexible and scalable. So for a large or a small company, Microsoft makes it really easy for you to grow into the product and for the solution to grow with your organization. You only need to purchase the licenses you need right now. And this comes up during big implementations. People are like, I have 100 individuals at my organization. Do I need to buy 100 licenses when we're not going to be live for 6 months? Absolutely not. Purchase the licenses for your core team, whether that's 5 or 10 right now. And then as we start going through the implementation process and training new users and bringing them online, then we can start adding those users. I also like it because Microsoft lets you purchase only what you need. So you don't need to buy the entire bundle. You'll see all of the different apps that we have, but you really can purchase what you need. So this is, again, an example of the Microsoft website. Everything's really transparent, and you can quickly compare the tiers. So we've got Sales Professional, Enterprise, Premium, and Microsoft Relationship Sales. And Microsoft really allows you to grow into those products. And you can start at the lowest tier, which is the least expensive. And then as your organization's needs change, you can grow and build upon that. Plus, Microsoft does give you, I know I said no discounts, but I guess there is one caveat. The minute you start taking advantage of more of the platform and more inside the Dataverse, which we'll get to, spoiler alert, the more discounts you get. So if you have users that need to work in multiple work streams and you need to add those users, kind of add licensing to each of those users, Microsoft gives you a discount as you add those licenses.